So what are cybersecurity standards? The best way to understand what cybersecurity standards are is to look at something called security controls. Security controls are a component of cyber information security standards, and they cover things like physical security, procedural security, technical security, legal and regulations, compliance controls. There's many different frameworks for cybersecurity standards. International Information Security Standards, or ISO security standards, is one that's used internationally, of course. Then there's the U.S. Federal Government Information Security Standards. The NIST is another example of information security standards. It covers all of these security controls that you see here. These are actually just the families of those controls. The Department of Defense within the United States is actually moving towards the NIST standards, as are other federal organizations. The meat of the security controls within the NIST are the security and privacy controls for federal information systems and organizations, also known as the NIST SP 853 Revision 4. This document covers all the security controls, and here's the family of controls. It covers things like access control, awareness and training within your organization, auditing and accountability. It's not just locking down your system and making sure that your Windows systems or your servers are logging information, but it's also the policy involved with these particular actions. The policies on your security assessments, your access control policies, as well as your access control technical control.